What the fuck was T'Challa? Don't you tell me T'Challa died no more. T'Challa didn't motherfucking die, bitch. After that.
We about that, we about that, we about that life. You be real little, I be real life. What you know about...
Anyway, welcome back to your channel. It's Sugar Lexi, London, if you know me, and Brooklyn Lexi, if you're nasty. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Quick video. Let's talk about this. So, this comedian said this.
What the fuck was T'Challa? Don't you tell me T'Challa died no more. T'Challa didn't motherfucking die, bitch. After that.
And I find it extremely true. The Black Panther movie really changed. It had a lot of black kids filled with whole black adults. It was one thing that black people actually agreed was great, and we were so happy we would be like Wakanda forever. Even in deciding to get my job, I chose it because a large amount of black people, I said Wakanda, right? It just became like something that gave us hope.
After that. White people don't lose, they motherfucking superheroes. You hear what I'm telling you? White people don't lose, they motherfucking superheroes. Christopher Reeve was Superman. He fell off a horse and broke his motherfucking neck. And Superman didn't break his neck. Then the man died, and Superman didn't die. He did 3 more motherfucking movies, man.
And even though something sad happened, rest in peace, it is in fact true that we lose our superheroes so easily. Just like I said years ago when I said that we don't honor our celebrities. Yeah, it's really sad. And how easily we let it slide. I know we would have been sad to see someone else play Black Panther, but the Black Panther should never have died. And it shouldn't have been replaced. It should have been continued. I have watched so many different Superman movies with different Superman, the Superman show, the Clark Kent, even Spider-Man wasn't always Tobey Maguire, if that's even his name. So I'm just confused that when a black hero dies, they just get rid of. The Black Panther was more than just a character. It was an impact to a lot of young black boys and a hero to young black boys who don't seem to have a lot of heroes nowadays that are positive and are thinking forward and helping their people and family. So that's why I was kind of sad too. It's like they do this to capture, to pull us in, and then they hit us with the bait and switch, which we already used to, the women being in control. But it was good to see a man play the Black Panther. Even if they brought Michael B. Jordan back from the ancestor playing some kind of way, I feel like he would have been a great Black Panther, and I would have loved to see him go to war with and try to save us as a people. And the fact that he was uncontrollable and they couldn't find a way to calm him down makes me sad, and I feel like he would have been a great Black Panther because I kind of agreed with his feelings and emotion. He was just leading with anger. And I feel like T'Challa, and if they would have gave him love, he would have been a greater leader than T'Challa. More balanced, more assertive. And I don't know, maybe I'm just thinking T'Challa was trained to be a leader. Michael B. Jordan was turned into a leader because he had to be. But anyway, that's just my thoughts. Tell me what you think. Do you feel like once an actor dies, the role they play should be dead too or given to someone else? Because for years and years and years, every role we have ever seen be played that's popular in a white society, the character has almost never died. So, or some of them do die and they find, like I used to watch Buffy the Vampire Slayer or whatever, one of those shows in the 90s. The vampire would die and out of nowhere, Angel's back. And it's like, oh, he's like, oh, I didn't really die. It was a loophole in heaven. And it's like, the hell? Can we bring back the Black Panther as Michael B. Jordan, and somehow we found a way for him to escape the astral plane, or after he died, the shepherds came and took him because they believed in his mission. They hailed him with Ukrainian. It couldn't be nothing. It just had to be strong black woman. And I'm not hating. I didn't see the movie. I'm sorry. I'm not as interested as I was in the first one. I don't know why. But that's just my thoughts, and maybe this weekend I'll sit down and watch it because I'm not criticizing the movie. I'm not criticizing the actors. I'm criticizing the lack of positive Black role models on television for children. So if a rapper dies, they'll replace him in 5.2, but when a superhero dies, they love family, supports growth of a community, and togetherness and nonviolence. He's just not replaced. But isn't that the real world anyway? So I don't know. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
We from Brooklyn. I'm from Brooklyn.
I'm climbing, I'm shining, reminding you who the fuck that I am. Lexington, London, gold and diamond, green veins with money signs instead of pain.